Here's the Excel Fundamentals playlist that have no real context, but serve as a great reference. They were designed specifically for index purposes. Having said that, you'll have an idea of what to expect from your local search results. This list will grow. I intend to become a better teacher from the searches submitted by my students. To access the Excel Fundamentals page, click the Learn Excel link from the home page, scroll to the second panel, then click on the Click to Get Started link. I would strongly recommend having multiple devices running each lesson, if you can. Your primary screen runs Excel and your secondary screen will run the video lesson, which can be stopped, started, or replayed at any time. Since the lesson is presented in a browser, you'll be able to toggle back and forth between the lesson and search. When a search phrase is too specific, take out a few words and try a more broad search term. When the link is followed, you will hear the search term being spoken within a few seconds after being clicked. And when all else fails, you can conduct a Google search to answer your questions.